Chief and Chiefettes, welcome to Detail the Diaries. My name is Dan, and today we have a Range Rover Vogue in for a Royal Flush valet. Wasn't going to work today, however, given the current circumstances, if you know me personally, it's probably best that I'm going to keep myself busy today, so I am going to. So I'm literally just going to Northwich, clean a Range Rover, full valet inside and out. He's on a farm, so it's probably going to be quite dirty. My head's a bit all over the place at the moment, so I did not ask for photos, which is unlike me. So hopefully for you, it will be an absolute state, because then you'll get some good visuals of the old handiwork that we completed at Royal Flush Valeting. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be a nice little day today. I'm not in a rush. I've literally only booked one vehicle in, simply for the reason that I don't want to overwork myself. Where John? Let me out, the kid. So basically where we are. I'll see you in about half an hour. Peace. So I'm just going to get myself prepped, get all the buckets, shampoos, pre-washes, etc. all ready to tackle this big bus behind me. Yeah, that's basically it. So first off, we're going to go through and clean the wheels. So of course we're going to probably attack the tyres first with multiple different types of brushes, rubber cleaners, wheel cleaners, iron fallout remover, pre-wash, not in that order, bear with me. So yeah, just stay tuned and we'll see you in a jiffy. removed any loose soiling that was attached to the wheels and the tyres. Wheels and the tyres, yeah. Alloys and tyres, that's right, yeah. Now they're as clean as I'm pretty much going to get them without touching them. I'm now going to try and attack them with some iron fallout remover. Let it dwell for a couple of minutes, make sure you're not in the sunlight, and then that will start to break away any non-ferrous metals and brake dust that are bonded to the actual alloy itself. And then we'll try and agitate softly with a hog hair bristle brush or just a soft detail brush to try and get as much cleaning performance out of the products as we can. Okay, so I'm just having a quick breather now. Quite exciting news for Royal Flush Valeting, Royal Flush Car Care, Royal Flush Scents. I will tag them up above. So we're just starting to sell detailing products now. Anything from detailing brushes to drying towels to microfiber cloths to shampoos, glass cleaners, iron fallout removers, paint sealants, waxes, you name it. So Royal Flush Car Care would like to introduce the new Royal Plush luxury drying towel. Now it's 1400 GSM, the size is 50 by 80 centimeters. Not too big, not too small. Nice plush using our new chenille wash mitt. So chenille proven by the Pro Detailer magazine to be the least abrasive on painted surfaces, so kind of why we've gone for this introductory wash mitt. And we're also introducing a luxury plush wash pad very soon, so keep your eyes peeled on that. But for the moment, so we're going to obviously test these out now, see how they perform. I'm pretty sure they're going to perform to outstanding capabilities, and it will make detailing and valeting jobs far easier for you guys at home.
Body work on it, that I hit a bloody skip over there.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so car's now undergone your normal safe wash, 2-bucket safe wash. So it's gone wheels, tyres, arches, door sills, boot edge, pre-wash, well, jet wash, get rid of any loose debris, followed by a pre-wash, let it sit and dwell to eat away at the any surface grime and dirt that's on there. jet wash it all off, and then followed by a 2-bucket safe wash with our new Royal Flush Car Care Chenille wash mitt. Super plush, super soft, and very soft on paintwork, as you can see. Yeah, holds loads of water, so you can just rinse it out. You've got enough there to clean your car. Of course, you want to make sure you don't inflict too much damage on the paintwork, just let it glide across the surface. And once you've completed your safe wash, you want to go around all the intricate areas with the detail brush. That includes the grills, the light edges, any intakes. Okay, so all we're going to do now is jet wash of the whole car, iron fallout remover to remove any bonded brake dust which may be stuck onto the vehicle. Probably won't film that 'cause it's starting to rain quite heavily now, so I'll hide the camera away and then hopefully bring it back out so when we can get my new snow foam spray sealant, which is just an easy way to add some protection onto the car, but ensure that once we've done a full decontamination, we want to make sure we preserve the paintwork and make it look as clean as we can for as long as we can. So as you can see here, there's the car the customer claimed has been ceramic coated. I won't name the company, however, to me there's nothing on there whatsoever. No water behaviour, complete sheeting, no beading. So a little bit naughty, but I can't say it's the first time I've seen it, in all fairness. Time for Royal Flush Car Care Snow Foam Paint Sealant. Hello Chief and Chiefettes, Dan from Detailer Diaries, Royal Flush Valeting, Royal Flush Car Care, Royal Flush Scent. So today we've got a new family member, which is our new Royal Plush Luxury Drying Towel, which is 50 by 80 centimetres, 1400 GSM, and perfect for safely drying your vehicle. All you want to simply do It's not too big, not too small. Simply lay on the surface where I want to dry. And then all we simply do like so. Chief and Chiefette, so that is me done for the day. Royal flush valet completed on this Range Rover. Pretty much gonna go home, get some food, get some drink. Not eating a thing today. It's kept my mind busy, which is good. So now go home, chillax, and yeah, done. Don't see you through the week, see you through the window. Whoa, we don't want a YouTube ban. Anyway, thanks for tuning in to get in today. Thank you for tuning in today. Please ensure to give this thumbs up, like on the video. I don't even know what I'm saying, talking bollocks.